What's going on, everybody? January 4th, 2022. Doing a quick review on the first trading day of the year, which was yesterday. Today will be number 2. Yesterday was quite an amazing day for the overall market. Although if you were in gold struggled a bit yesterday. But the futures market, pretty incredible. Taking a look here at the Micro E-mini Russell 2000 March 22s. Had a nice day yesterday. Looks like we are following through today. Mentioned earlier yesterday, I believe it was yesterday, that I believe these small caps are going to shine here in 2022. And perhaps we are already off to that start here. Had a little reversal here yesterday from the 50-day, which is shown here in green. But it looks like today we're up against that 50-day line again, and we will see how the day goes. But overall, these small caps, some of the ETF products did pretty well. So can't complain about that. All right, jumping over here to the, looks like we're up 8.8 right now for the Russell. All right, moving down here to the micro Bitcoin. On the flip side, the micro Bitcoin continues to look like it wants to head lower. We are kind of finding some support here in this 45,000 area. We are not quite as bullish on the micro Bitcoin futures as we are on the overall stock indices. But that is just kind of our take here on the micro Bitcoin. It's been all south after this double top here, which came in, looks like the high for the double top was 71.95. And looks like today we're trading at 46,500, up 635 points for the micro Bitcoin futures. All right, jumping over here back to the indices, let's take a look at the micro E-mini S&P 500 March 22s, up 16.25 handles right now. Another nice day yesterday. Looks like we're going to follow through again today. Looks like we're actually probably in new highs here for the day. And so far, the trend for this continues to move north to the upside, which we will not complain about. 48.0275, up above that 4,800 number. Up above the averages. Probably getting pretty extended here from the 200-day, but we will continue to keep an eye on this and let it do its thing. Not going to fight the trend, that's for sure. All right, jumping over here to the, that is not it. Let's go down here to the NASDAQ. Micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 March 22s. Up 48.5 handles right now, above the moving averages. The trend for this also continues higher, although it's off to a somewhat of a slower start than something like the E-mini S&Ps. But perhaps it just needs to get out of its own way here. And so far it looks like it's heading higher until it proves itself otherwise. So that's the NASDAQ trading at 16,532.75. All right, over here to the micro E-mini Dow March 22s. Looks like we're up into, let's see, what is this high here? This high is 36,571. Looks like, yep, we are into all-time high territory this morning. January 4th, 2022, we are up 133 handles for the Dow Micro E-mini futures, trading at $36,589. Pretty incredible here for the start of 2022 with the overall market. Lots and lots of products did really well yesterday. It was pretty incredible, a good sight to see. Some things, some ETFs and stocks you would have had to be positioned already to prosper fully, but there was also a lot of new buy signals yesterday in the overall market, which was good to see. So that kind of wraps up the indices for yesterday. So far, nothing too concerning. Continue to let these markets do what they want to do, which right now it looks like to the upside. Taking a quick look here at Tesla. That was a pretty good sight to see yesterday. Pretty impressive. One hell of a move. I think it closed the day up $140 some. Big old gap up here from this is the last trading day, the 31st. And then we had a big old gap up here. That's the only thing I see negative with Tesla is this giant gap, and gaps like to go back and get filled. That doesn't mean it's going to be anytime soon, though. You can see this gap here. Look, it looks like this was October 22nd into the 25th. So that was probably a weekend. And looks like the close here was 909.68. We gapped up 2 days later. And then it was a while. So this gap here, we'll say the 25th, didn't get filled until, well, it didn't get filled there. It was about 2 months it took before that gap got filled. So who knows how long or if this gap will get filled. We also have a gap down here in 950 area. But congratulations to anybody who is long Tesla. We have mentioned in prior videos that we will look for a position in Tesla if it comes back down to this area. But we will not chase the price up here, although it could go much higher before it heads back down to here. Just some thoughts, not financial advice. So, wishing everyone a happy 2022. And we are excited to see what these markets bring for us this year. If you would like to know what we're doing in the micro futures market, as well as in Tesla, you can check us out over on Patreon. We will leave a link in the video description. All right, everybody, have a fantastic Tuesday, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.